In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a Steam account. Intro. First things first, open up a web browser and go ahead and make your way over to Steam, or you can also open up Steam if you already have it downloaded. But once you're on Steam, go ahead and hit sign in, right? It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Once you're on this page, you could go ahead and sign in if you already have one, or if you don't have an account right here, you scroll down, select new to Steam, and then you'd hit create an account. And this is where you type in your email, confirm your email, and of course you type in I'm human, and just go through the setup account. It's going to send you a verification email to your email before it even prompts you to create a username, a password, stuff like that. So make sure you do check your email after you hit continue right here and enter in the verification code just like that. But from there, after you go through and set your name, create your password, and confirm that password, your Steam account will be ready to use. It's that simple. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.